This is Andrew Shutov, and I'm submitting circuit 2.1, turn the knob for engineering 121. So for this assignment, we need to complete circuit turn the knob, and circuit turn the knob is basically, hopefully this could be better. This thing. So you turn this thing, and it makes the LED brighter or not as bright, and it displays the value of the resistance on the prompt. So here's my version. I got all the wires hooked up correctly, and as I turn this, it is becoming dimmer. And here's the values. So this is 32,000. Now it's 100 or 200, and I can make it back higher, and that corresponds directly to the color of this thing. Again, this is Andrew Shutov, circuit 2.1, turn the knob, engineering 125 or 121.